everybody, welcome to the channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to pair the Senso pods Plus, because it has this, to your PC Windows machine. Now, this computer, which is my gaming machine, does have a Bluetooth receiver built into the motherboard. If your computer does not have that, you can actually buy one for about $10. So here's how this works. You go into your settings. You click Start, or the Windows icon in this case. You click Settings, and you're here. Now, up at the top where it says Devices, it's going to say Bluetooth, Printers, and Mouse. So you want to click that. So my Bluetooth is on. But let's say it's not on. And I don't like to leave that on because I don't want people connecting to it. Or if somebody gets too close and their Bluetooth is on, I don't want them to connect to it. So you turn it on, and if you look right here, it says Pods Plus, which is what this is connected. Why is that connected? I connected it about a day or two ago, so let's see if I can get it to forget it. I'm going to remove the device. I could resync it. So I remove the device. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to open this up, right? And you can see it flashing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn Bluetooth on. And then what you do is you click Add Bluetooth Device. Now you have Bluetooth, you have wireless display or dock, which I do not have. I could add everything else. I could add Xbox controllers with wireless adapter, DUNA, and more. So I'm going to add Bluetooth. And it came up as Pods Plus. So these are working. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to double click this, left click this, and they're connected. So what I am going to do now is I am going to play a track from Doom here, and we are going to see how well this works. And I know it works, but I'm saying it as I'm doing it in first party here. So the pods are connected. And there you go. That is how you connect these pods to a device attached to a PC. Yes, you could do this to a Mac computer. I'll do that at some point, but most of my stuff is either mobile or Windows. So what you do now, you go back into your settings, and let's say you wanted to forget the device. You could either disconnect or remove. Now, in my case, I'm not going to use those pods on this computer a whole lot. I just did it for demonstration. But let's say you play late at night, you don't want any wires to the headphones, which is basically what those are, even though they're called pods, Senso pods. But I am going to remove the device. All right, so it's removed, and I turn Bluetooth off. So with that said, that is it for this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and click that bell for more notifications.